News title: AI's Industrial Influence, a Mixed Bag for Call Centers and Manufacturing. TLDR, Artificial Intelligence, AI, promises significant changes across various industries, but the consequences could be diverse. As per a recent report, AI may precipitate an unexpected downturn for call centers, whilst revitalizing the manufacturing sector in Britain. Impact on the job market. AI, a technological marvel known for its efficiency and adaptability, is expected to shake up the job landscape significantly. According to a recent analysis, AI's impact could be a mixed blessing, with some sectors facing a potential downturn, while others may witness unprecedented growth. Consider the British manufacturing industry. For decades, pundits predicted a decline in manufacturing jobs due to automation. However, paradoxically, the integration of AI in manufacturing may very well boost job prospects in this sector. The logic: AI's ability to optimize processes could attract fresh investment, stimulating growth and job creation. On the other hand, the call center industry faces a less optimistic future. A significant reduction in workforce numbers, by as much as a quarter in the next 5 years, has been projected. But why is this happening? One possibility lies in AI's ability to automate repetitive tasks, including answering standard queries, which form a large part of call center operations. If AI is able to efficiently handle these tasks, it could lead to a sharp reduction in the need for human operators. Societal implications. This mixed impact of AI on the job market raises important societal questions. If the predictions hold true, the disparity in the outcomes could exacerbate existing social and economic inequalities. What measures can be taken to mitigate the potential fallout? In the case of the call center industry, it may be crucial to reskill employees or help them transition to roles less susceptible to AI disruption. In the manufacturing sector, ensuring a robust and agile workforce able to adapt to AI-enabled technologies will be vital. Food for thought. In the grand scheme of things, how should society respond to these anticipated changes? And importantly, how will these changes shape our understanding of work in the era of AI? As we grapple with these pressing issues, it's essential to keep an open dialogue and prepare for the challenges ahead. First seen at The Times. How can we best prepare industries and employees for the inevitable impact of AI, while also taking advantage of its potential benefits?